Hey, beautiful people. I just wanted to come in and make a video, you guys, to show you how Overstock.com is actually accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment. So, for those people that think that Bitcoin or cryptocurrency is not our future, a lot of these big companies, they're taking Bitcoin as a form of payment, which means you should open your eyes and see what's going on. Just imagine when they started taking credit cards as a form of payment. People are like, no, this for rich people. No, you guys, let's go ahead and check it out. So let's put something in our cart so that we can get to the screen where they're going to ask us what form of payment we want to use, and then we'll go ahead and see the Bitcoin. So let's just add this to the cart. And let's go ahead and click checkout. So checkout. And then we got to pop up. Let's continue as a guest. We don't want to sign in. Look, you guys, Bitcoin. You guys can pay with Bitcoin. You guys see that? That means that literally cryptocurrency is going to be our future, you guys. You have to make sure you get on your cryptocurrency and you start educating yourself about it, especially like Bitcoin. That's like the first one ever, you guys. So for those people that don't think Bitcoin is our future, there's companies out there that's taking Bitcoin. And Overstock.com, you guys, everybody uses Overstock.com. They've been around for a while. And I always show people how to get the Overstock.com credit card without that hard inquiry. So I'm going to make sure I plug that video so that I can show you how to get that credit card without a credit check or hard inquiry. See you guys in the next video.